Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and this video I have given 1 plus a equals to a. Solution. And here we have to copy what we have. We have 1 plus a equals to a. Okay. And we know that when we have this one, we can simply write 1 plus a equals to a as 1, okay, equals to a minus a, and simply write 1 equals to a 0, which provide no real solution. Okay, but we are going to try to find another way to solve this question, and we can simply write this one as 1 plus a equals to a. And here we can write 1 plus a to be t, okay, and a only to be q. And of course, when we say a equals to q, this can be t squared equals to q squared. And of course, right here, what you have to do, we have 1 plus a equals to a. Then by square both sides, we shall say this is equal to 1 squared plus 2 times 1 times a plus a squared equals to a squared. And of course, 1 squared plus 2a plus a squared equals to a squared. At this stage, what can we do? We shall cancel this to get 1 plus 2a equals to a 0. Then 2a equals to negative 1, whereas a equals to negative 1 over 2. But here I have to check if our answer is correct. And of course, we have given 1 plus a equals to a. And this will be 1 minus, because a is equal to negative over 2a, 1 over 2, which equals to negative 1 over 2. 1 minus 1 over 2 is equal to 1 over 2, which is equal to negative 1 over 2, and it does not equal. So that's why. And of course, when you have, for example, we have read that this is t equals to q as 1, t as 1 plus a. When we have, for example, absolute value of this one, okay, what shall we have to mean that? Of course, at this stage we have t, absolute value of t equals to absolute value of this q what we have right here. And we shall say right here that absolute value of 1 over 2, positive 1 over 2, is equal to absolute value of negative 1 over 2, because absolute value of 1 over 2 can be written as 1 over 2, which is equal to 1 over 2. To mean that this question can be, we can get real solution when we apply absolute value. But simply above to the original question, 1 plus a, so that does not have real solution. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe.